guys, so I'm currently in my bathroom. My hair is pulled back. You want to have your hair out of your face and out of your way, and then you want to cleanse your face. And I've already cleaned my face. So now, before you start using your tool, this step is optional, but I find it easier to use my tool once I do this. So you want to take a washcloth and run it under hot water for like a minute or two. So now you want to wring out the excess water from your washcloth. I'm going to remove my glasses. And then you just want to lightly tap your face. You can even leave the washcloth on your face for like, 10, 15 minutes till it starts to cool down. So the purpose of this is just to get your pores open, soften your skin. You can repeat this step before you actually start using your tool as many times as you want. But I'm gonna do it one more time. And for the second time, I'm not gonna wring out all of the warm water because I wanna leave a little bit of moisture on my face. I just know from like when I've gotten facials in the past and they have their steam machine, like my face wasn't like, solid dry. So I'm just gonna tap some water back into my skin. Now I will turn my tool on. And this tool has 5 speeds. So this is the highest. And then you can proceed to... So me personally, I find that the first or second speed is enough for me. I normally just like to start on the left side of my face, and I'm just gonna go in. And as you guys can hear, I'm currently using the second. Tool, and it, there's suction power. You can hear it. So I'm actually gonna turn it up. You just want to take your time. And one thing I really love about this tool is that because it's like curved, when you have to work in a weird angle, it doesn't feel too bad. So when I'm using this tool, I get a lot of congestion and oily skin in my T-zone area, especially around the the edge of my nose and around this area. So when you guys can like squeeze and you get that white stuff, that always happens to me. So I really like to concentrate in those areas. that's pretty much it. Really simple, straight to the point. And just to show you guys, it was able to exfoliate some dead skin, as you guys can see here. But yeah, so after completing a session with this Mio tool, cleanup is really easy. So all you have to do is remove the head, and I typically take alcohol and I'll just disinfect it in hot water. So first I would run the head under hot water and use soap and lightly, you know, clean it in a soapy water mix. And then I'll also let it sit in alcohol for a little bit just to disinfect it, kill any bacteria that's lingering around. You'll see that if you look here, there's a filter. So there's literally a small sponge filter. You can take a Q-tip, a paper clip, and just poke it, bring the filter out, and you can put a new one. And then I'll also run this part under hot water and disinfect with alcohol as well. So cleanup is really simple and storage is really easy. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. So it's a very simple tool to use, and I would definitely recommend it. It's very affordable, it's rechargeable, so it's very easy to travel with, and I love the additional heads that it comes with. So I would definitely recommend this tool. So I'll include the link in my description box to this tool, and you can give it a try. I really feel like it's a good alternative to, you know, picking at your skin, and it's really convenient to do like in between getting normal facials. So in no way, shape, or form would I say this would replace going to a professional, but I do believe using this tool is great maintenance, you know, until you're able to go to a professional again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm currently in my bathroom right now, just to make it more realistic because I would use the tool in my bathroom. So this before is really simple. All you have to, oh.